Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question that I get often. Should I tint my new windows? Here we go. Okay, so let's explain something about the performance of a tint versus a low E coating. So let's just get a little bit into this. The tinting, like 3M materials that you might see on a car or inside some windows for a single pane window, to kind of help eliminate some of that heat from the sun during the day, versus a low E coating, it's two completely different animals. And what I mean by that is, so tinting is gonna do a pretty good job. You get like 40%, 50% of the heat gain, whereas low E coating, which is the silver metallic coating that goes between the two panes of glass, that is made to really beat the heat. If you're in a pinch and you got single pane windows and you're just not in line right now to get replacement windows, then tinting is gonna be a great option for you. It's gonna help big time against the heat gain. Better than a single piece of clear glass all day, every day. Now, when you talk about dual pane window that has the low E coating, that is going to be the best against the heat, the sun rays, everything. So tint will provide you 95, 96, 97%, maybe even a little bit better of UV ray rejection. The low E coating can also do that, but where the low E beats the tint is the solar heat gain coefficient transfer. So throughout the day, a dual pane window is constantly battling the UV rays from coming into the house. It's also battling the transfer of that heat, the solar heat gain coefficient. Now, when you're looking at your NFRC sticker, the lower the number, the better performing that glass is. You're not really gonna get that so much with the tinting, and I don't mean to dog out tint because there's a place for tinting, but the low E and the dual pane or even triple pane windows, but let's talk about dual pane mainly, is going to be the best bet against heat. Performance data, everything that you can look up online for a single piece of glass tinted versus dual pane low E coating, you're always gonna notice that the new window is always gonna outperform it. It is, and it's made that way. Part of the issue too is single pane, or even if you had a double pane with aluminum window, is not gonna be very good against heat gain, whereas vinyls and woods and maybe even thermally broken replacement aluminum windows are going to provide better protection against the heat. When it comes to the low E coating, it's going to take hours for that transfer of heat to get through that window and then finally into your home. So as you're running your AC and you have that window open, that glass is being cooled to the touch. And it's helping slow that progression from transferring the heat to the outside to the inside of the house. Whereas a single piece of glass with the tint, as that sun heats that glass, it's already transferred. It's just that fast. Tinting is helping with the glare and UV rays penetrating the house and hitting your couch, whatever is in the way of that window. It's gonna help you big time there, but what it's not gonna help you with is the heat gain. So you can walk up to a tinted window, touch the glass and go, yeah, that's pretty warm. Whereas if you were to walk up to a window that has very strong low E, you can touch the interior of the pane, the clear pane, and go, hey, that's not so bad. That's still pretty cool. And that's the benefit of a dual pane window versus the film. If what you can afford right now is just the film, then do it. It's better than having just a piece of clear glass and that's really all your protection is just that single piece of glass versus a dual pane window. But if you're in the market for dual pane windows, then yeah, I highly suggest getting a very, very high performance low E. North side, you could do, double strength. You could do triple strength, it doesn't matter. But on the south side, do 4 layers or do a G340 if you're exposed to a lot of sun. This is going to be your best bet, always. Okay, guys? Hopefully this helps. If you guys have any questions about this, go into the comment section, write me a little note, and I'll respond as soon as I possibly can. Thank you guys for watching this. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.